Are you tired for constant notifications from a specific app? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable notifications for any app on iOS 18. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Notifications to access notification settings. Now find and select the app you want to mute. Simply toggle off Allow Notifications. And you're done. No more alerts for this app. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more iOS tips. See you next time.